The hidden difference between operators and dreamers. Two types of entrepreneurs exist: the group of dreamers and the group of operators. Both, both group works hard, but only one group builds scalable businesses. Dreamer group, dreamers, they collect ideas, they watch videos, they save posts, they plan strategies, but execution is inconsistent. The operators, this group behave differently. They install systems, they track numbers, and they optimize processes. Dreamers chase inspirations. Operators build infrastructure. Over time, the difference becomes obvious. While dreamers stay busy, operators build leverage. So, online success is not about creativity, it is about operational intelligence. So, if you are ready to operate like a builder instead of a browser, application details are below.